So here is the Brembo bracket kit for the Capri. These use the Fiat 20 valve Coupe Turbo calipers, or the, I think it's the Alpha GTV calipers. Anyway, they're the same calipers. So big old Brembo 4-pots on there, decent size. Jaguar XJ, well, they're down on from Euros, Daimler XJ6 discs, which have been drilled out to 4-stud for the Ford, as opposed to 5-stud for Jag. They are these ones here. So 291mm discs, 20-odd thick. So I've got a picture I'll put up now compared to a standard Capri ones, and there's a fair old difference, to be honest. These are part number from Pagid 54402, and they are down, I don't know if you can see it there ish maybe, for the Daimler XJ4 and XJ in 1989 to 03, XJ40 1993 to 94, and Jaguar XJ 1989 to 1997. They got a 291mm outer diameter, 66.8mm depth, 28mm friction surface depth, and a where is it on there? Doesn't say. They got an 80mm bore, as opposed to the Fords having a, I think it was a 56mm bore. I've checked up, 56, 66, something like that. So that's that. So they mount on. Let's remember my torch. So they sit on there nicely. There will be a spigot ring in the kit, not a metal one, but a plastic one. But that's not a problem, because once they're located, that doesn't do much really. So you'll need Brembo calipers. You'll need to flip them so that the link pipe is no longer as standard. They come, what would be, with the calipers are swapped sides. So as standard, these would be the other way around on the Fiat. So you have to move the link pipe from what is now the top to the bottom. So it's worth putting new pipe on, new bleed nipples. Ideally rebuilding where possible. So that sits on there quite nicely. And then from the back here, you've got my fitting kit. See what you can see here. Sorry, the Capri's a bit of a mess, and the calipers have had a fair bit of use now. So you'll need some kind of, either a solid link from the Capri strut, again, to the caliper, or I just made a flexi stainless one. There's all sorts you can do with it, really. But they bolt on here, so you've got a adapter bracket, which is the black one, 12.9 hardened bolts, aluminium spacers, and they are, they fit perfect there on that, as opposed to, well, you can't buy the kits anymore, but other places that may have sold similar kits require some modification in order to get them to fit, which isn't so great. So that's it on the car. They work excellent, and if nothing else, they are Brembo bragging rights. So this is what you'd get in the kit, bar the spigots which are being printed. So you would end up getting 2 of these brackets, which are laser cut out of 10mm steel and finished in 2K satin black. So you get 2 of them. You'd get 4 imperial bolts for the standard Gold Capri and the Escort and such struts, 2 metric high tensile bolts, 4 of them, 2 for each caliper for the calipers, 4 stainless washers, not really required, but yeah, you can have them if you want to use them. And then you'd get 4 CNC machined aluminium spacers, which space the caliper off the bracket. So yeah, I'll put the price in the description, but I think once I cost it up, it's going to be somewhere around the 50 quid mark. So yeah, if you want a upgrade or some bragging rights, then not a bad kit to go for.